What's up guys, it's Jiggy, and today for you I have a tip regarding sharing your project files with another editor, or maybe you just want to back up your project files to use on another computer. Instead of going to Windows Explorer and gathering all this footage, Adobe Premiere actually has a feature for this. If you go to File and then go to Project Manager, you can actually collect files and copy to a new location. So this would take all the files in your project and copy it all to one folder for you to use. And you have a couple of options here: exclude unused footage, which I use frequently, almost every time, include audio conform files, include preview files, and rename media files to match clip name. Now this is pretty cool, but a main problem that I sometimes have is if I have After Effects compositions. If I use Project Manager, it'll save all the files in Premiere, but it won't save all the files that have dynamic linked in After Effects. Unlike other editors, I don't use only one After Effects project in my Premiere Pro file. So I'm going to open up After Effects. I'm going to make a copy of one of the After Effects compositions that I am using, and then I'm going to open that new copy I just made. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import the other After Effects file that I'm also using in the Premiere Pro sequence. There it is. So now I'm going to import it, and it's going to copy all the files from the After Effects project into this project. And you can do this with as many projects as you want. So if you're using 4 or 5 After Effects compositions in your Premiere Pro sequence, you would import it into this one all import file. Now that we have all our files gathered up in one place, now we can go to After Effects, Dependencies, and collect files. It's going to tell you that it needs to be saved. I'm going to save mine. And then it's going to collect all those files so that when you have to relink them in your new computer, you'll have all of them in one place for After Effects to use. And this is a lot faster than going to each individual After Effects project and clicking collect files. Hope this helps.